In this video, we are going to explore the while loop. We're going to learn what a while loop is, when to use it, how to use it, and look at an example program. Let's start off by looking at a program. I'd like you to take a moment, look at this, and try and figure out what I'm trying to accomplish here. If you were to write down this as pseudocode, what would that pseudocode be? Now that you've had a moment to think about that, let's walk through it. A while statement is a loop that has an if in it. It's waiting for something to either trigger it or to cause it to stop. In this case, it's waiting until an A button is pressed. And then while the A button is pressed, it's going to do whatever in here over and over and over and over and over again until that situation up here, our kind of if statement, is no longer met. So in this case, while the A button is pressed, it's going to show us a beating heart. As soon as I let go of that A button, it's going to stop. Let's test it out. Alright, and then I let go of the A button, and it stops. It's going to finish its animation, but it won't go back up to the top. Alright, that's an example of one while loop. Let's look at another one. This one is a little more complicated. This one might be useful as an alarm clock. Something sets the alarm clock off, in this case, a shake, and then it displays a visual alert. We could also add a sound alert and then attach headphones to it so we could hear what that sound makes. But just for simplicity's sake, I have a little animation for it to go. Now what we have happening here is until the A button is pressed. So while the A button is not pressed, it's going to repeat this 2 times. And it's going to come to the outside and say, hey, have you pressed the A button yet? If not, it's going to repeat this 2 more times. Then it's going to come out. Have you pressed the A button yet? Let's press that A button. Now, one press might not do it. One quick click, because it's still here in the animation, hasn't come out to check. So instead, hold the A button for just a moment, let that animation finish, and it will silence the alarm. We can make that a little easier by changing our repeats and then pressing the A button. It silences the alarm a bit quicker. This could be a feature if you want it to you to require the user to hold down that A button to be, yes, I'm really sure I want you to stop blinking. We have looked at 2 different while loops, and these are super duper useful. Again, they are a loop that is combined with an if statement.